What is bank? What are the type of banks? A bank is financial institution licensed as receiver of cash deposits. There are two type of banks, commercial banks and investment banks. In most of the countries, banks are regulated by national government or central bank. What is investment banking? Investment banking manage portfolios of financial asset, commodity and currency, fixed income, corporate finance, corporate advisory services for mergers and acquisition, debt and equity writing, etc. What are the different ways you can operate your account? You can operate your bank account in different ways like internet banking, telephone or mobile banking, branch or over counter service, and ATM. What is cross check? A cross check indicates the amount should be deposited into the pay's account and cannot be cashed by bank over the counter. Here the image you can see two cross lines on left side corner of the check that indicates cross check. What is overdraft protection? Overdraft protection is service that is provided by bank to their customer. For instance, if you are holding two accounts, saving and credit account in the same bank, now if one of your account does not have enough cash to process the check or to cover the purchases, the bank will transfer money from one account to another account. What is fixed APR and variable APR? APR, annual percentage rate, can be fixed or variable type. In fixed APR, the interest rate remains same throughout the term of loan or mortgage, while in variable APR, the interest rate will change without notice based on other factors like prime rate. What is the cost of debt? When any company borrows funds from a financial institution or other resources, the interest paid on that amount is known as cost of debt. What is balloon payment? The balloon payment is the final lump sum payment that is due when the entire loan payment is not amortized over life of the loan. The remaining balance is due as the final repayment to the lender. Balloon payment can occur within an adjustable rate or fixed rate mortgage. What is amortization? The repayment of the loan by installment to cover principal amount with interest is known as amortization. What is negative amortization? When repayment of the loan is less than the loan accumulated interest, then negative amortization occurs. It will increase the loan amount instead of decreasing it. It is also known as deferred interest. What is the difference between check and demand draft? Both are used for transfer of amount between two accounts of same bank or different bank. Check is issued by an individual who holds the account in bank, while demand draft is issued by the bank on request and will charge you for the service. Also, demand draft cannot be cancelled, while check can cancelled once issued. What is debt to income ratio? The debt to income ratio is calculated by dividing loan applicant total debt payment by his gross income. What is the difference between bank guarantee and letter of credit? There is not much difference between bank guarantee and letter of credit as they both take the liability of payment. A bank guarantee contains more risk for a bank than letter of credit as it is protecting from parties the purchaser and seller. What is loan grading? The classification of loan based on various risks and parameters like repayment risk, borrower credit history, etc. is known as loan grading. This system places loan on 1 to 6 categories based on the stability and risk associated with the loan. What are the different type of banking software application are available in the industry? There are many types of banking software application and few are listed below. Internet banking system, ATM banking, core banking system, loan management system, credit management system, investment management system, stock market management system, financial management system. What is convertibility clause? For certain loan, there is provision for the borrower to change the interest rate from fixed to variable and vice versa is defined as convertibility clause. The ratio between cash in hand and total assets maintained by the bank is called statutory liquid ratio. In 1921, the Presidency Bank of Bengal, Madras, and Bombay were nationalized to give birth to which bank? State Bank of India. Which of the following organization of India is mainly working to meet the credit needs of all type of agricultural and rural development activities? And the answer is NABARD. The first bank established in India was Bank of Hindustan. Watch our other videos. If you have any questions, leave a comment. We will answer in next Q&A questions and videos. Please support us. Like, share, comment, subscribe and press the bell icon.